Today I'm going to work on removing the flywheel from the Hodaka engine. I got a tune-up kit that I got to pull the flywheel off so I can check the pointers in there, make sure they're good, and replace them. So to remove the flywheel, there's this bolt here, which is size 17, and I was able to determine this is a 27 millimeter hole here. So what I've done is I bought this little tool here. This has a 27 millimeter on one side and 24, so I can flip it over and use it on multiple flywheels. Today I'm going to show you how this works, and we're going to pull this flywheel off. But first we've got to remove this bolt, and it is a size 17 millimeter. So I'm going to put the camera down and show you how we get this flywheel off. First you got to remove the flywheel nut so I can get my puller in there. How the puller works is I'm going to screw this in, and then I'm going to move this in with the wrench. And see, as that goes in, it's going to push against the bolt here and then pop the flywheel off. So now that I've got the nut off, I'll set that down, set that aside. Just going to put this in. Now this is threaded left hand, so don't try and put it in right hand, it's not going to work. Okay. Now that I got my flywheel puller on, I'm going to just twist this in, and it should pull the flywheel right off. There we go, just like that. As far as getting a flywheel off, this tool definitely did the trick. It wasn't too hard, just screw it in, twist that in, and it just pulled that sucker right off. So now I just gotta take this off, clean it up, put it all back together.